Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you pumpkin spice body scrubs 3 different ways. If you haven't seen any of my other DIY body scrub recipes, I'll leave a link to all those videos down below. If you like everything pumpkin spice just as much as me, then I know you'll love these recipes. So let's get started. The first way we're going to add pumpkin spice to our body scrub is through coffee grains. If you have your favorite pumpkin spice flavored coffee grains, this will work perfectly. This is a great way for those coffee lovers to add that morning scent of coffee and as well the pumpkin spice. The next way we're going to be changing up our body scrub recipe is to add an oil. This is a Harvest spiced oil that I got on Amazon. This smells amazing and it's going to be perfect to add into our body scrubs. And lastly, to get that perfect pumpkin pie spice color, you're going to need pumpkin pie spice. If you can't find pumpkin pie spice, you can use a mixture of cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and cloves. For the first recipe, we're going to be using a ½ cup of coconut oil and also a 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want to know a little bit more about the different types of coconut oil, you can watch my last body scrub video where I talk a little bit more about it. Here I'm going to add my pumpkin spice coffee grains. This is a great way to reuse coffee grains. I know even one of my cousins uses the coffee grains by itself and she said she really likes it. Who else is getting cookies and cream vibes with the look of this one? Leave me a comment down below if you want to see me try to make a cookies and cream body scrub. That would be really interesting. Although this body scrub doesn't look the most pumpkin spice, believe me, this is going to smell amazing in the shower. And there's nothing like a good cup of pumpkin spice coffee to wake you up in the morning. And I thought I would top this body scrub with a pumpkin spice looking coffee sticker. For the next recipe, we're going to be using the same base, which is a ½ cup of coconut oil and a 1/4 cup of sugar. My one tip for you, if you really like your body scrubs to be extra moisturizing, go heavy on the ½ cup of coconut oil. And if you like your body scrubs to be a little bit more exfoliating, then add a little bit more sugar. Here I added 2 teaspoons of the pumpkin pie spice. If you are sensitive to smells like I am, but you still love everything pumpkin spice, this body scrub will be perfect for you because it's not overly scented with pumpkin spice, but it totally looks orangey like a yummy pumpkin pie. I really like this one because everything is all natural. And here I decided to top it with a really cute post-it note. This is great if you're giving this as a gift. Not so great in the shower because it's paper, but definitely a very cute decoration. And lastly, for the most yummy smelling pumpkin spice body scrub, we're going to start with a double batch of this recipe, which is 1 cup of coconut oil and a ½ cup of sugar. What I really enjoy about making body scrubs is that you can definitely make it your own. I'm going to add 8 drops of this oil and give it a really good mix. I decided not to add any coloring to this one because it smelled so amazing, almost like a pumpkin pastry or like pumpkin cream. This oil is safe to use on your body. I would not recommend using it on your face, but on their website it did say that it was okay to use in body products. I decided to put it in this really cute ceramic pumpkin. This is a great way to use really cute containers that you have around the house. I can keep this as a decoration in my bathroom, and when I want to use it for my body scrub, it's right there. I think one of the coolest things that I did while using these body scrubs is mix and match them all together. And if you wanted to mix the recipes, I think it would be really cool to get the color of the pumpkin pie spice with the smell of the oil. And there you have it, 3 different ways to incorporate pumpkin spice into your DIY body scrubs. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.